Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kels. I have a cute little hairstyle that I would like to show you today. If you are new to my channel, thank you for coming and thank you for joining on the family. Click that subscribe button and you will get all my videos when I upload it, and turn on that notification bell as well. So today I will be putting my hair up in a ponytail style with 3 flat twists in the front. So I'm going to just section off the top part of my hair in the front of my hair and just kind of get that out the way. Okay, just pin it and get it out the way, and I'm going to put the rest of my hair in a ponytail. And that is a process. I had to use water to detangle my hair because 4C type and 4B type is not easy to just comb through. You have to moisturize it and oil it and put water, and you can't do it dry. So I didn't show that part. I mean, that's common sense to any female that has this type of hair. So you can do it section by section. I'm going to do it section by section. I can't talk today. And I'm going to be using my Blessed Super Hold Gel. This gel is everything because once you put it on your edges or your hair, it stays for a long time. And as you can see, it is clear and it's thick. So I'm going to use that on my edges, and I'm going to use it all over and just put it, for that extra hold. You can tie your hair down if you want to, but you really don't have to because it stays and it gives a shine. Do you see it? Ooh-wee. So I used it all over my hair, and it helped really well by keeping my hair in place when I put it in one. So now I'm going to just section 3 parts off. Section, I can't say that word at all. Section by section, I'm going to flat twist my hair and join it in the ponytail. Now, I've been practicing flat twisting my hair because I didn't know how to do it, and I had to practice to get this perfected. So I think I did a good job, and I used to suck at flat twisting so much. So now that I know how to do it, I'm going to do it every chance I get. So, like I said, I'm going to section off a good 3 parts of my hair and flat twist the front. So I'm just gonna tie that down real quick for like 10 minutes. While that's tied down, I had some old hair, springy afro twists in my closet for a long time. I'm just gonna show you a short clip of it. It's at the top of the video. So I took all that hair and I made it into a ponytail. What I did was put a rubber band in between it. I also showed the type of hair it is. You can always rewind and get that the type of hair in that little short video at the top. So I just made it into a ponytail because I had it for like 5-6 months in the closet just sitting there, and I decided to just do a tutorial with it as a ponytail. It was really easy and really convenient, and I didn't have to buy new hair. So that's another thing you could do, keep your old hair and reuse it. So I put it up in a ponytail, real simple, and then I kind of took pieces of the hair and tied it around and placed it in with hairpins, a couple hairpins, and just kind of fix it to the fitting of my face, and there you go. There goes your ponytail.